So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna review a new collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills with Alyssa Edwards. So if you want to know my thoughts on this new palette, then just keep on watching. If you're new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Inofre. I am a nurse, I'm a makeup artist, I'm based here in the UK. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you get updated with the new videos that I upload. Okay guys, so today I'm very excited because we are going to get to see and try on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this is in collaboration with Alyssa Edwards. So to be honest with you guys, I really don't know Alyssa Edwards. I haven't been following her in any of her socials, no Facebook, no YouTube, but I tried to just search on Alyssa Edwards because I just really wanted to see, you know, what is the taste of her palette would be like. And she does her drag makeup. It's really nice, like it still looks very nice on her. And the main reason why I bought this palette as well, why I got really very interested, is the bold colors that are included on this palette. So this is the palette. It's just really bold pink with her, I don't know if this is her eyes, with her name Alyssa Edwards in gold, and at the back it says here, always and forever Alyssa Edwards. So the color is really nice. It has really got bold colors in it, which I would really like to try it. You know, there's white here and there's bold yellow here and blue and purple. Watch this white color, and this is the headliner. Let's try the Brick Road, the yellow one.
That is really nice. A little bit powdery, but it's still very nice. You already see in just one swipe, the color intensity is really good. Let's try the pink one, the Texas made. Not too bad. Still nice. Let's try another one and see, maybe. So that's really nice. And then let's try the blue one, which is Dream It. Let's put it here. That is a really good color payoff there, you guys. So let's try it now on my eyes.
I still don't know what I want to do with this look, but I just really want to try as much colors as I can with or on my eyes, and let's see how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna put the purple one. Oh, that's really nice color, guys. You know, the intensity is really there. I still don't know what look I'm going to do, but I just really wanna try as much colors as I can. Okay, now let's try a different color, maybe this one, the Supreme. It's a little bit orange brown color. We'll put it on top of the purple one. It blends really nice, guys. So next is we're gonna get this Brick Road. The yellow one is a little bit powdery, but it's still good. Still nice.
Look how nice and pretty that is.
Put a little bit of cut crease here. And then we will put the gold Inspire. It's so creamy, the gold one. Then we're just gonna blend a little bit of that purple again. And then we will add the Unicorn Tribe. So this is a little bit light purple. So we'll put it here to make a little bit of the transition from the gold and the dark purple. Oh, it's like a pink actually. And we'll also put that gold on our inner corners. The Inspire. And this is the final look, guys. What can you say? I really like this palette because I really like the bold colors that's in the palette. You just got everything that you need. You've got yellow, purple, black, orange, a little bit of orange, pink, purple, and a little bit of gold as well. So it has a nice balance of colors and neutral colors in it as well. But obviously if you are really into bold colors, this is really the best palette for you guys, and I really like it. And by the way, I actually forgot to mention that I bought this on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website for 46 pounds, and it arrived for about 4 to 5 days. If you are really into bold colors just like me, I really recommend this palette. It's really nice. I love it. Whew, what can I say? It's just like everything. The color payoff is really good. Just like, you know, the swatches, it's still here. You know, everything that you would like for in a palette is here. And I think that is it for this review. I'm just gonna show swatches of all of the colors at the end of this video. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!